idea with Human Plus, right, as I mentioned earlier, is that artificial intelligence can be used to augment the capabilities of human agent, right, not replacement. So we're all familiar in the past with the traditional use of machines to automate highly repetitive interactions, especially within a contact center, right? So in the past, if we wanted to check our balance, our bank balance, we would have to wait in queue, then finally talk to an agent, and then finally find out what our balance was is, as after probably a lengthy conversation to figure out who I am and why I'm calling, right? And so, we've seen things like IVR in the past automate those kinds of very repetitive, mundane type of interactions. And so machines have already automated those kinds of capabilities. What we see with Human Plus now is the ability of machines to help not only automate more complex interactions that are maybe not repetitive in nature, that require more cognitive ability, but also help the agent solve those highly complex problems that come up occasionally in a contact center. So let's see, as an example, let's say that you're talking to an agent, and then an AI bot is magically listening into the conversation. And you get to the point where the agent doesn't have an answer or doesn't have all the context for the conversation or for the question that the agent, that the caller is asking about. Then you can imagine the AI bot quickly doing a query behind the scene and then popping up information on the agent screen so that the agent can guide the user through the answer to his or her problems, right? And this would all be done without the user really realizing that there was, an AI bot behind the scenes helping this agent.
Mm-hmm.
Another example that you might imagine in a contact center is sentiment analysis. So imagine again this AI bot magically listening to a conversation where I as a customer may be calling my bank, and for whatever reason I'm upset about what happened, trying to get a fee overwritten or something like that. I'm getting upset. Then the AI bot behind the scenes can detect the fact that I'm upset and automatically notify a supervisor. The supervisor can then quietly be conferenced into the call and then behind the scenes help the agent so that the agent in the end provides a good experience for the consumer. So the agent is working behind the scenes, just analyzing what's going on with the call, and if necessary, taking action, right? Whether it's providing information on a screen or conferencing in someone else, maybe even taking notes, right? Or transcribing a call for future analysis.